Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with T. Today we are going to install Meter in our Windows machine. First of all, we have to download Meter in our computer. I have already downloaded and extracted, but you need to extract the downloaded file. You can save it on your download folder or any other folder to use it later. So after the extracting the file, we need to install it. During the installation process, it will ask some permission and we have to do those steps, and it will take some time. Now it will finish the installation and we can see some pop-up. Yes, we are waiting for this, and in this pop-up we have some necessary steps. It will ask or show you the download and upload speed and or add it to taskbar. So we'll go for next, and in this section you can set a limitation of using data in a month. So I will go for 50 GB in a month and we'll go next. And after this step that we can skip, and now it will say some congratulations message and finish the installation process. And this window is Meter's general setting. You can change the settings if you want, but I will go for OK, and I will add Meter on my taskbar. Here you will see, and we can close this window now. So now the second step, now we have to turn off some options in Windows Defender. So we can go Windows Defender from here, and in Windows Defender we can go virus and threat protection, manage settings, cloud and delivery protection, automatic sample submission, temper protection. So now we have to extract, and after extract the pen we will install this. So all we have to do, click on the button and it will show you some message, and we will go for no, and it will give you an input box to put your name. You can go or you can write any name, your pet name, nickname, username. So I will go for my username. I will use everywhere. Okay, and now it will take some time, and we got the success message. So the Meter installation process has done. So after the installation we need to turn on all the options, and yes, real-time protection. Now it will protect our computer, and I will give you the software link in the video description so you can download it and use it. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and share with others. Till then, goodbye.